moments coming up.
I'm fine with it. We need the seats anyway. I want the women in here that's comfortable with dancing. Not everybody. Hit these aisles real quick. Do it now. Come on. Give me that, just the drums real quick. The Bible credits a majority of the Old Testament nation Israel to a woman by the name of Miriam. The book of Hebrews says that Moses, Aaron, and Miriam built the nation of Israel. And Miriam don't get as much credit as she needs. But one day when there was a drought outside, when the children of Israel were getting ready to cross over, there was a singing prophet who was at the head of the women, and she sang a song about the horse and the rider. For behold, Miriam is in the midst of us, and there shall be a release of the songs of deliverance. Come on, break out and dance, women of God. Be on a young Come on, Miriam, sing. Come on, Miriam, dance. Come on, Miriam. deliverance. Somebody's confused. Somebody's broke down. Songs of deliverance. Songs of deliverance. The horse and the rider. Horse and the rider. The horse and the rider. The horse and the rider. I'm killing 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 the horse and the rider. Come on and cross on over. Come on and cross on over. I'm taking you to Canaan land. 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 Go tell old Pharaoh, let my people go. Tell old Pharaoh, let my people go. I got a song of deliverance. 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 A song of deliverance. Songs of deliverance. Songs of deliverance. Songs of deliverance. Songs of deliverance. Cause the righteous cry out. Cause when the righteous cry out. When the righteous cry out. When the righteous cry out. He's gonna deliver. He's gonna deliver. He's gonna deliver. He's gonna deliver. Singing a song of deliverance. Singing a song of deliverance. Singing a song of deliverance. Song of deliverance. Singing it over the nations. 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 Songs of deliverance. Songs of deliverance. I want you to lift up a shout for our deliverer. Come on, shout. We agree. Y'all keep dancing. We agree that a Miriam is among us. A Miriam is among us. A Miriam is among us. And we honor the prophet of God that leads the women on. Glory. Oh, I feel deliverance in this room. I think there's enough women in here to break the yoke of witchcraft. Come on. Release something in this atmosphere that shakes up Chicago. Come on. Come on, yes. Come on, daughters. Move. This is warfare. Yes. We have Miriam in our midst. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, come on. I feel freedom in this place. I feel liberty in this place. Songs of deliverance. Hallelujah. So we agree. We establish you as the Miriam in our midst. That's how you ordain.
That was amazing.